This is the login page, and if you enter the admin's username, then it will automatically lead you to the admin's account. And if you input an invalid password, there will be like an arrow. So that's input the correct password, which will link everything to this Google Sheet through Gradle. So there are several different functions for admin. For instance, you can add a class. So that's this is a drop-down menu, and if you search something, it will also automatically filter. This will be easier for admin to add classes for students, and it will automatically displays the fee per hour to ensure that admin didn't accidentally choose the wrong class. And all classes will be stored on this Google Sheet page, and which Gradle will read this information and then put it into the user's interface. And also, if you enter an invalid time, it will also be a validation error. So let's say if I submit this class, you can see the class of debating is being added to the sheet. It will automatically sort it based on time. Class that's happened the latest will be automatically be on the top, so it will be easier for admin to navigate and search. And also, like, user can choose to input a same class multiple times. And if you click on recurring, and let's say you want to have like 4 weeks, it will automatically add the classes 4 times. So therefore, it's easier for admin to add classes if it's reoccurring or like periodic class. Second function will be canceling classes. So therefore, obviously, if students are absent, they can cancel the classes. And this is also a drop-down menu with search bar. So for instance, I want to like cancel the class for Johan. And the second drop-down menu will filter based on the first selection. So if I select Johan, then the second drop-down menu will only show classes that Johan are taking as recorded by the Google Sheet. Therefore, easier for admin to navigate and search the classes. So that's you want to cancel the physics class I just added. So that's I want to cancel this December 4th one. So if I submit it, December 4th physics class for Johan will be cancelled. So therefore, there's only this and this class left. You can also choose to cancel all classes in the future. So for instance, if I choose to cancel classes starting from December 11th, then all the classes of the students should be cancelled, because all the classes are in the future to that date. Function will be checking the bills for admin. So if you click on this, select if you want to check the bills of teacher or students. So for instance, if I wanted to check bills for teachers, you can choose which teachers you want to see. So the way this works is that I have this Google Sheet called payroll, which each time admin adds the classes, and it not only added classes to this all classes Google Sheet, it also append the same information on payroll. So payroll will be calculated automatically according to like the percentage your teacher should get. So therefore, for instance, if I select Tyler, then it should show how much the admin should pay to Tyler. So Tyler only have one class, and which the admin should pay $1,820. So therefore, you can see the details of which classes and how much you should pay the teachers. And once it's selected, an admin can actually download the file, download as a txt file. And therefore, it's easier for admin to like send this detail to the teacher and organize the payroll. And also, there's another option which is called download and delete. So download delete allows you to download and then delete the stuff. So therefore, the admin will not accidentally download the same or pay the same teacher twice, right? So if I want to download this on the downloads, and if I press save, and then for you can see Tyler's payroll will be deleted. And if you go to the downloads, you can see the payroll being downloaded, right? So the only function for the setting is that teachers can admin can add teachers account for teachers to use the system to add their own classes. Let's say the teacher's name is Kelvin. Let's say the password will be 1234. Okay. And if I go back and try to log in with this new account, password is 1234. If I log in, I can add class using a teacher's account. But for demonstration, I will log into other teacher's account because there's no classes for Kelvin, right? So, right. Okay, so I can also add classes using Andy's account. So, for instance, if there's a student named Ricky and you want to add a class of Andy, so this is also like a smart drop-down menu because teachers can only enter classes that are their own classes. So for instance, I log into Andy's account, so therefore the drop-down menu only show Andy's classes, right? So that's if you want to do submit. You should see Ricky's SAT Math on December 4th. And also, if you wanted to change the day or the date, change the date by just typing it. And once a teacher's added classes and this teacher's notification page, and will record what teacher uses what account to add what classes. Click on notifications and it will show every notification that other teachers have added classes to the system. I'm gonna refresh it and you can see the new class. So for let's say if another teacher added a class for the guy Ethan, the teacher's name, it's Tyler. Press refresh, then you will see the new notification, right? And also if there's like too much, admin can also clear the notification once admin have read them all. Yes, so that's pretty much my project. Thank you for watching the video.